Welcome. Starting with very basic question, what is fiber in injectable or sterile products? In the pharmaceutical industry, fiber in injectable refers to small thread-like contaminant particles that can be present within a vial intended for injection, usually originating from manufacturing processes like packaging materials, clothing, and cleaning wipes. What are the main sources of fiber in injectables? First, clothing and gowning materials. Clothing and gowning materials share fibers from non-lint-free gowns, gloves, masks, or hair covers. Second, packaging materials. Fibers from paper-based or cardboard packaging of raw materials or components. Third, cleaning materials. Lint or fibers from cleaning cloths, mops, or wipes. Fourth, production equipments. Worn-out gaskets, seals, or conveyor belts. Fifth, raw materials, contaminated APIs, excipients, or solvent-containing fibers. Sixth, human activities, which includes personal shading fibers from skin, hair, or clothing. And final, environment. This includes airborne fibers. Very important question, fiber in injectable are avoidable or can be controlled or not. Fiber contamination in injectable manufacturing is a preventable issue with proper cleanroom controls, equipment maintenance, and adherence to CGMP. Whether filtration with 0.22 micron filter can remove fibers in injectables? Direct answer is yes. A 0.22 micron filter is designed to retain particles larger than 0.22 microns, including fibers in the 5 to 10 micron range. If fibers are still present in injectable, it indicates contamination post-filtration or an issue with the filtration process demanding for further investigation. What are probable impacts of fiber on injectable or sterile products? Negative impact on product quality, risk to patient health, and regulatory non-compliance are the major probable impacts of fiber on injectable or sterile products. What cleanroom controls and personal gowning controls can be implemented to control fiber in injectables? In cleanroom design and maintenance, we can use ISO class 5 or grade A areas. For critical operations, we can ensure effectiveness of HEPA filters. In personal gowning and hygiene, we can use lint-free, sterile, and disposable cleanroom garments, gloves, masks, and caps. We can regularly train personnel on proper gowning and behavior in clean rooms. What raw material and equipment controls can help to minimize fiber in injectables? In raw material and component handling, we can inspect and clean all incoming materials to eliminate fibers. We can use non-shading, fiber-free packaging materials. In equipment selection and maintenance, we can use equipment designed for clean room compatibility with smooth surfaces that do not shed particles. We can regularly inspect and replace worn parts like gaskets and seals. What cleaning practices and environmental monitoring controls can minimize fiber particles? In cleaning practices, we can use sterile lint-free cleaning materials to avoid fiber shedding cloths or mops. We can validate and monitor cleaning procedures for efficacy. In environmental monitoring, we can monitor particulate and fiber levels using suitable techniques, and we can investigate and address any deviations promptly. How to differentiate between glass particle and fiber particle during manual visual inspection of injectable? It is difficult to differentiate between them as both look like white and transparent. First factor to differentiate between them is shape. Glass particles are typically rigid and sharp, whereas fibers are long, thin, and often thread-like. The movement in solution of glass is tending to sink quickly due to their higher density and rigid structure, whereas fibers are tend to float or move erratically. Third factor is reflection of light. Glass particles reflect light strongly, whereas fibers are less reflective. What guidance is given in USP chapter number 788, particulate matter in injections for fiber particles? Injections and parenteral infusions should be free from visible particulates, and specific tests must be performed to ensure compliance with limits for subvisible particulate matters. What EU-GMP Annex 1 Manufacture of Sterile Medicinal Product 2022 Guide about gowns used in pharmaceutical industry. Gowns should be made of low shading materials suitable for use in clean rooms and regularly monitored to prevent fiber shedding into the manufacturing environment. What USP Chapter 790 Visible Particulates in Injections Guide about fiber particles. Every injectable product must be visually inspected to confirm the absence of visible particulate matter, including fibers, under defined conditions of illumination and rotation. What EU-GMP Annex 1 2022 Guide about HEPA filtration to control fiber in injectable. Particulate and fiber contamination must be controlled through HEPA filtration, and regular monitoring of air quality must be conducted to ensure compliance with grade A standards. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to channel for more videos related to our pharmaceutical industry.